Not too long ago, I got rid of all my pumps because of one reason. If you experience this in heels, you are not alone. It is so annoying and embarrassing, but there is actually a solution. This is called the heel sling. I have it here in nude and in black. It was sent to me, and first let me show you how to put it on, and then we'll walk again in heels to show you the difference this makes and also all the benefits of it and who can benefit from it. Step one, we're gonna take that prep pad and take the back of your shoe and wipe it, and then let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back of this one as well. And then on each of these, there is an R for right and an L for left. So just make sure you're putting it in the correct one. So taking off the backing, applying it to the back, and then just take the sticky off this bottom part. And we're putting that inside the shoe. And our heel sling is ready to wear. Just goes on like a regular shoe. This time with the walking test, my heels are staying in, they're not sliding out, which is incredible. I did find that I had to put the placement kind of repositioned twice in the shoe, so you may not get it right the first time, but the good news is once you put it in, if you kind of act quickly, the stickiness is sticky enough that you can reposition it. Also, if you get blisters, this is gonna stop blisters, so you're not gonna need to put Band-Aids on the back of your heels. If you wear heels all day, you know they can get so uncomfortable. These are not just for heels though. Let me tell you what else these are good for. The heel sling is good for both men and women, so it doesn't have to be just for pumps. You can wear this in any shoe, even athletic shoes like cleats, soccer shoes. So any type of shoe this can work in. Also kids shoes, you can get a kid size one. The fact that I can wear heels again is awesome. I never thought I could. The heel sling is a really, really great invention. It's simple, but yet it works. So if you have given up on pumps, or maybe you just find that shoes are just not fitting you properly lately, give this a try. It's gonna make a difference.